In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your referral link for Coinbase. This is a pretty handy tool to use when you want to introduce your friends and family to the world of cryptocurrency while earning a little bonus for both yourself and them. So let's dive right into it and go step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Coinbase application. Once you have it up and running, navigate over to the advanced trading section. It's a straightforward start, but you'll soon see why. The advanced trading area is where you'll find a lot of the essential tools and options, giving you access to a broader range of features available on Coinbase. Now that you're in the advanced trading section, the next step is to head over to your portfolio. This is where you'll see a summary of your assets and their current performance. Within this portfolio section, look for the option labeled fee level and spot. Tapping this will give you more insight into your trading activities and the costs associated with them. Once you've gotten to grips with your portfolio, scroll down until you encounter the Refer Friends and Earn section. This is the sweet spot for what we're aiming to achieve today. Here, Coinbase encourages you to share the crypto love and earn rewards for both parties involved. In this next part, you'll tap Refer a Friend. This step is pivotal as it initiates the process of generating your unique referral link. Remember, this link is exclusive to you, so it's important to ensure it's correct before sharing it widely. Now that you've tapped that, you should see your unique referral link appear. Your next task is to carefully locate and copy it. This is the link your friends will use to sign up, so make sure you copy it correctly, and it can be easily pasted when you share it. The final step in this process is sharing that referral link. Whether it's through email, text, or social media, the key here is to ensure whoever you share it with has consented to receive such information. Not only is this considerate, but it's also a legal necessity under data protection laws in many regions. Once your referral link has been shared and your friend signs up using it, the two of you will qualify for that exciting bonus. Typically, this occurs after your friend completes a qualifying trade, which is usually around $100, within the first 180 days of signing up. It's an excellent way for both of you to start or expand your crypto journeys with Coinbase while enjoying a little bonus at the same time. And there you have it, an easy way to find and share your Coinbase referral link. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below if you're stuck at any point. Happy sharing and happy trading.